And it's Panal. No. 9. Pinabitan off the glass. Bucket for 2. Talipyas.
Pinasa Papi.
Si Spins. Pinaganda. And here's number 1 Spins. Libatike. Pinabitin. Bucket. Libatike. Yes. And recover. Takes reverse layup off the glass. Bucket for 2. Welcome to Pangasinan Intertown 2024. And first ball possession, Sam Manuel. And it's with the number 1 inside pass. And and pass inside. Fires. Wala pa rin. Kicks out. Open for 3. In and out. And the rebound Soriano. Long pass. Sameniano. Lace. Short. And stolen, Sameniano to the middle, open for Talipyas, bang! And 1! And here's number 1 Spins, Libatike, pinabetin, bucket, and here's Semeniano. And behind the back dribble, he goes to the middle, at the top, he stops, pull up jumper at the free throw area. And fight for the rebound, Ibumanga fires. And 4-2 tong score natin. And here's Panal. Ipabos Libatike. Corner pass. 14-3. Bang! 3 points. Panal cross. Ipas Libatike. Libatike dumistensya. Stops. Kicks out. Panal. Pinabitin Lace. 2 straw and rebound. Put back. Salting. Semeniano between the legs, and it's creating space. Attacks fading away. Bucket. Ray. And it's Panal. 9 to the hoops. Pinabitan off the glass. Bucket for 2. And Maro pinasa sa gilid. Corner. Stolen. And here's Libatike. Lace to the hoops. And another 2. And here's Salting. Salting pinabitin off the window. Salting. Bucket. Maron. Bounce pass to Reyes. Reyes number 29. Attacks. Bounce pass. Uy! Naglag. Naglag. Lag. And you go crossover. And stolen. And Stabilo pass. Reyes. Lace. Short. Oop. Fight for the rebound. And pass. Block. Reyes. Oop. Naagaw ni Libatike. Libatike. Nakalusot Libatike. Pinasa pa. Salting. Bucket. Stops sa 3. In and out. Tips in. Bucket. Reyes. Naagaw. Libatike. Libatike. Wah. Crossover na. Tapikan. Maron. Easy to. Maron. Pass. And natapikan is stolen by Reyes. Reyes goes to the rim. No good. Recover. Oop. Natapik pa. And rebound. And here's Kalim. Kalim short. Lace. Bucket. And 1. And Reyes. Semeniano. Semeniano. Corner pass. Bounce pass inside. Reyes off the glass short. Tips in. Rebound. Will falling away. Oh, that's a lucky. Libatike spins. The water. Wala. Fight for the rebound. And is Talipyas. Pinasa pa big. Si spins. Pinaganda. Libatike hipas. Drives. Bumangga. Oh, offensive foul. No basket. And Talipyas. Maron. Maron. Semeniano. Hipas inside. Kicks out. Get Maron to the drive. Block. And for the inbound. For 3. Bucket. 3 points. Backdoor inbound. Kalim, long two, bang! Dribble! And it's on Harry to the rim lace. And bounce pass, middle. Picks, bumalik. Pinasa sa gitna, block from behind. Put back shot and the finish. Backdoor inbound. Pass to number 1. Pass inside. Creating space picks. Clutch far of the glass. Oy! And here's Libatique spins. Libatique another spin picks. Clutch and fire of the glass. In and out and in. Libat. And number 11 between the legs. Nice man Langit. Pass inside. Reyes. And recover. Picks reverse layup of the glass. Baget for Panal. Panal inside pass Libatique. Spins, kicks out, open for 3, Kalim, bang! And holds the ball. He dribble, Seminiano, he attacks, pass to the middle, fires off the glass, short, put back shot of the glass, Soriano. Long pass, and salting, scoop layup, and 1! Yes, so Seminiano. Between the legs, uses the screen for 3, bang! And it's Pascua. Pass. Here's to Libatique sa 3, short. And rebound, Pigo. Reyes, Liz, sinausaw! 32-34 Libatique behind the back dribble. Libatique di distansya, looking for the clock. Bounce pass. And salting. New stolen. Seminiano. No look pass inside Liz. Tige! And bounce pass. Attacks Liz. So, bakit? So, game at 36. Soriano crossover. Soriano spins. Fires off the window. And Kalim. Pass inside, Pascua lace, and 1, Pascua. Libatique picks, clutch, pull up J, Tige. Panal, stolen. Gerso, bounce pass, Sagdays off the glass, in and out, rebound. Put back of the glass, back. Libatique stops at 3 off the mark. And here's number 7, Soriano. Core kicks out sa 3. Short. Battle for the rebound. Put back. Gerso. Back to. And there you go. Corner sa 3. Kalim. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Seminiano. Parang si Bodo. The plus. And 1. And here's Salting. Slowly dribbling the ball at the middle. Attack, spins. And pass inside. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 7. Fires off the glass. Yes, stolen. Seminiano 2 on 2. Stops. Bounce pass to the corner. Libre lace. And 1. Pass. And here's Balingao. Drives to the house. Tumipad. Sinausaw. And pass to the corner. Open for 3. Bang! For the lead. In favor tayo. San Manuel up by 1. 53-52. To the corner. Stop. And spin. Soup. Gerso fast. Gerso. Spin. And another change favor. And now up by 1. Salting. Libatique off the glass. Another change favor. And for the inbound bounce pass. Pass to the middle. Attacks. Reyes. Uy! Grabing taas naman nun. Pumunta sa kabilang bahay. Bang! Salte! Across the mid lane. Ipass to Reyes. Reyes dribbling the ball. Dumistansya. And spins. Oops. Loses the ball. Recover by Palomar. Palomar natapikan sa likod. Recover. Pull up jumper. Gerso. Bakit? And the long pass. And Pascua to the hoop. CC2. And to the corner. Soriano spins. Nakalusot. Block. Stolen. And to the middle. Libatique. A little bit spin. Libatique to the middle. Oh, pinabitin. Grabe. Yes, Gerso. Gerso spins. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bang! Paloma. And Libatique. Libatique. Sa 3. Bang! Libatique. And crossover attack. Reyes to inside. Soriano kicks out. Palomar. Fix. Palomar. Bounce pass. Seminiano. Di distansya. He stops for 3 off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Baseball pass. Off nag-isa. Salting. Easy to Salting. 7:60. 10 seconds on the game clock. 7-point lead for San Manuel. And here's Seminiano pass inside. Soriano down to 5 points. And 2 seconds. That's and back to 7-point lead for San Manuel. Bounce pass. And here's Reyes. He pass back the ball. Pass to the middle. Soriano. Ay, Capiones. Inside pass. Libre. Pinabitin of the window. Down to 5 points. To Reyes. Reyes stops to Estabillo. Sa gitna. Soriano open for 3. In and out. And rebound. Oop, nice steal. Bounce pass. Libre. Estabillo. Libatique. Libatique to the rim. Bucket and 1. And dribbling the ball. Stop, pull up, Joy. Bucket, Maron. 1-point lead, Libatique. Natapikan, stolen. A chance to have the lead. Oh, and up by 1. This time, San Manuel. Libatique. Oops, Libatique. Atake, spins. Libatique fires. Bucket, change favor. And there's Salting. Salting inside pass, bullet pass, reverse layup. Bucket. Back to 5-point lead. Stops. And bumangga Gerso. Sadio Vidal sa Seminiano for 3. Off the target. Fight for the rebound. Gerso put back. Bucket. Gerso. And Pascua. Pass to Panal. Panal. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 84-81. Panal. Sumegway. Block. And he stops. And he's bounce pass. Seminiano Masinta tumira. Bucket. Down to 1 point. Libatique coming in for Team San Manuel between the legs. Libatique asking to set spins. Libatique pass inside. And Bacaldag. Corobolio block. And that's Soriano. And here you go, Seminiano to the rim. Pass. Oh, bucket for the lead. Just Libatique. Corner. Kalim for 3. 5. 87-85. 87-85. 1 minute. 43 seconds. Soriano spins. Falling away. Bucket of the glass. Another fix. And here you go. Salting kicks out for 3. Oh, short. And rebound pass break. Nauna na for the lead. Fix. Clutch. Fire. Bucket. Lungaw up by 2. Libatique. Attacking the defense. Kicks out. Up and stop. Pull up J. Bucket of the glass. Guarded by Libatique to Gerso. Seminiano. 50 seconds on the game clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Seminiano. Seminiano stops. Pass to the middle. Almost stolen. Recovery. Spins. Oh, stolen. Pass break. Naulo na si Kalim. For the win. No! Bucket. Just the 14 seconds to shoot. Corner. Reyes with the ball. 91-89. Natapikan. Libatique with the steal. Libatica goes to the rim. Pinabitin. Wala. And Pascua for the rebound. Oop. Nilabas yung bola. Oh. Offensive foul. Offensive. And 24 seconds on the game clock. Estabillo, he drives. His pass. Far floater. Won't go. Rebound Libatique. Libatique. Long pass. Nauna na. Liz. In and out. Rebound. Soriano. Stops. Team gitna. Steveniano inside. Pass libre. Gerso! Bakit? For the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Kicks out. Libatike. Libatike sumiksag. Stops. Falling away. Short. And, Reyes with the ball. Reyes. He stops.
Sitting pretty smart.
And corner. Gerso. Gerso, he goes to the corner. Pull up jumper at the baseline of the mark. Libatike. Libatike recover. Stops. Bounce pass. Pasqua goes to the middle. Kicks out. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Libatike behind the back. Crossover move. Libatike iniwan. Tuloy-tuloy. Grabe ka, Libatike! The body. Posting up. Kicks out. Corner. Pull up 3. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Natapikan. Fires. Salting. Ooh! Lucky bounce. And goes inside. And there's Gerso. Uses the body back. Ooh! Rondo. Kicks out. Pasqua. Pasqua. Attacks, spins, falling away, short, rebound. Is Gerso. Gerso, 3 on 2, bounce pass. Stabillo. Last on the free throw, 4-point lead. 1 angle free throw, bucket. Down to 3-point lead. And Libatike fires off the glass. Libatike. Sumisigsag, corner. Attacks, Gerso spins, create space off the glass, bucket. Gerso. 197, pass inside. And here you go, Salting, far off the glass, Salting. Still. And here you go, long pass. Pass back. First throw. Bucket. Libatike. Libatike. Crossover. Libatike. Stall spins. Pass here, Kalim stops. Inside pass, floater. Salting bucket. And baseball pass na, una na. Liz, bullseye. And Soriano. Corner sa Tres Reyes. Short. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations.